Hello, everybody. Welcome to this talk on how about changing your life, because there's such a desire nowadays, and people have such a need to make a change to their lives. There's so many pressing things, especially in terms of finances. Prices keep on going up, and people are always looking for money, money, money. And unfortunately, you need money to live. Now, so many people are always waiting for the right time, the right opportunity, the right moment. But maybe the right time is right now. It's right now, you watching this. Why have we decided to use this opportunity? Why did we start? Well, very briefly, we had financial difficulties. Really, we couldn't make ends meet. And we even had to sell the property for about a 20% loss because we couldn't keep it, because we didn't have the money. So we needed a solution. And we looked around and we tried several things. Nothing worked. There was no real solution for us. And then we got introduced to what I'm going to share with you tonight. And that changed our lives dramatically. This opportunity, this concept made a massive difference. And it helped many of my dreams come true. And my wife's dreams come true as well. So really, this changed our lives, and it can do it for you also. That's why I'd like to share this with you, because it can be the thing that is just what you need. Now, the opportunity. You start looking at the opportunity itself. What does it entail? A couple of things that you can look at. Well, it started in the USA in 1958, this idea, this concept. And we operate in 60 countries. So this shows you its stability. It's not a fly-by-night. And that is fantastic security for you. And you can earn various currencies. That's also fantastic. I mean, here where I live in South Africa, to earn a few British pounds or US dollars, that's quite exciting. And I think that applies to most countries in Africa. There are many benefits to what we do. Many, many. You are your own boss. Okay? Except you're a married man, of course. You can do this part-time or full-time. So you can decide how much, when, where, okay, part-time, full-time. You can decide that. Okay? You get free training and support. You're not on your own. You're not alone. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And that is fantastic, great news. Because people that have been doing this can help you and support you, give you ideas and guidance, so you can make a success. You save and make money. And that is what we want. We all need more money. You can have holidays and unlimited income, and you can earn foreign currencies. There are many other benefits as well. Now, the work, what does it entail? What is it about? You need 5 to 10 hours per week if you're part-time. But if you can go full-time, obviously you can spend more time as well. But part-time, 5 to 10 hours per week is what you need. Be consistent in this. You register for the price of a tank of petrol or nice shoes. So it's not even expensive to get started. That's also great news. What do? You use products at a discount. I mean, how many people look for all the adverts in the papers and wherever to find where they can get discount, and then they go buy all the specials. Now here you don't have to search, you will get the discounts. And then you share the idea, the concept with other people, so they can also get a discount. And on that you can earn a bonus on the turnover. I'm going to explain this a little bit more as we go on. Okay, and people who are not interested in buying discount, by all means sell to them the products at the retail price, because you make a profit on that. 20 to 40% profit in the end. Product ranges, I'm talking about healthcare products. I mean, disease is rampant all over the world, and people need proper health care. And so many healthcare products on the market are actually junk and even toxic. Really, it's shocking. There's weight management as well. There's home care, non-toxic home care products. How many babies end up in hospital every year, young children, because of toxic products? Then there's skin care and personal care as well. So we're making the world a healthier place and a wealthier place also, if you think about it. So what do? You buy the discount and save, like I've mentioned before. You cut out the middleman. Okay, cut out wholesalers, the advertisers, the retailers, reps, and the shoplifters, so you can start saving money. And that's how conventional business works. At the top you see manufacturer, wholesaler, distributor, retailer, consumer. You could add advertisers in there and shoplifting and so many other things you can add in there that all push the price up. Whereas we say no, straight from the manufacturer to the consumer. So we cut out a lot of the middlemen, and that way quality products can reach the consumer at a good price. What have you got to do? You show others how to buy the discount. So number one, you buy the discount, and now show others how to buy the discount. So they can also save. They also cut out the wholesalers, the advertisers, the retailers, the reps, and shoplifters. They also get that benefit. Well, just like Amazon, you sell and distribute your products directly to people who do not want to register. You can sell to them directly, and it gets delivered to their front door. You cut out the wholesalers and all the people in the middle. Cut them out. How much can you earn? That's a very good question. Well, the sky's actually the limit here, but let me show you. If you're, for example, you've got 10 customers or more, you can, for example, earn 2,000 Rand per month, which will already make a big difference to the average family in South Africa, for sure. If you have 50 customers or more, 50 or more, you might earn 10,000 Rand or more per month. A lot of people in South Africa don't even earn 10,000 Rand a month. And you can do this part-time. You can build a promoted team and earn more than 10,000 Rand per month, much more. I mean, you can add some noughts behind the 10,000. There are people earning that. But that depends on you. There are no bosses here. You can determine what you are worth. Okay? You can earn even much more than 10,000 Rand per month. How do you earn? Let me show you how you earn the money. 1, you save money as you buy the discount. 2, your team members, your promoters, they use products, and this increases your total team turnover. Okay? You earn a bonus on the total turnover of your team. Your team members sell to their customers, and they use products themselves, and this increases your total team turnover. You earn a bonus on your total turnover. You earn a profit of about 20-25% if you sell to customers. So take note of what I said here. And the next slide will show this in more detail. But you earn on your own turnover and that of your team. And here, the example. If your personal use is, let's say, 5,000 Rand, it doesn't have to be, this is just an example. Okay? You will save about 700 Rand, if not more. But that's what you save. So that's the first thing, you start saving. 2, if your team has a turnover of, let's say, 60,000 Rand, but they use themselves, okay, for own use, okay, you earn a bonus of about 10% of that. So that means now, take it a step further. You have spoken to some people who said they're not interested in buying a discount. Okay, let's say you sell 5,000 Rand worth of products to customers at retail price. You earn a profit, depending on what you sell, about 900 Rand profit. You can already see, click your mind, numbers, eh? Your total turnover now is 70,000 Rand. You earn a turnover bonus of about 6,000 Rand. How much did you do yourself? You only did about 10,000 Rand turnover yourself. The rest comes from your promoters that you've got. And it doesn't have to stop here, because the more people, the more promoters you have, the bigger the turnover. And there's an example now, in this example, what your income will be. This excludes the money you've saved, because I'll show you some savings later on as well. And these are just to explain the principle. It can be much more than this. Okay? Much, much more. I want to emphasize something quickly here. Even if you start 10 or 20 years after somebody else, you can actually earn more than that person, which is fair. The system works in such a way the person who works smartest and the hardest is going to make the most money. Basic plan. Use products and save money. 2. Get education and support. You're not on your own. 3. Share the opportunity with people and earn bonus. These 3 steps must be your focus, because this is where most money will come from. 4. Share products and earn a profit. So it's a very basic or simple plan. But yes, you must work at it, otherwise you will not achieve success. Call to action. Well, come and join us for better health, improved finances, for travel. Yes, we've been on some holidays paid for us, and that's fantastic. Wow. Self-development, you grow as a person, you learn skills and so many things you might never realize about yourself. You learn and you develop. And you've got a family and community here, people that support you and help you. Are you ready to change your life? Or are you going to stay stuck in the same uncomfortable comfort zone you're in? Or are you going to make a change to your life? Are you willing to do it for you and your family, for your children? Now is the time. Don't keep on procrastinating. We wasted 2 years of our lives because we didn't listen the first time. It could have been so much different if we had listened the first time. I see Barbara smiling because they told us about this, and we said for 2 years.
I am Putlana Judith Pila. I am married and blessed with 4 daughters, 2 sons, and 2 grandchildren. I am a teacher by profession. As a teacher, I was financially stressed, and this had a negative impact on my health. I joined on a part-time basis because I wanted to improve my health, and I also wanted financial freedom. Through the wonderful products, I got my chronic asthma under control, and today I'm no longer on inhalers. My family has also benefited from these products. I also experienced financial breakthrough I've been praying for. I'm no longer teaching. I own a beautiful home and have sent all my children to private schools. As a teacher, I would never have been able to travel abroad. But through this business, I've been to Hong Kong, I've been to Dubai, and earlier this year, we went on a vacation to a beautiful holiday resort at George. And next year, we'll be going to Prague. None of this would have been possible without my wonderful team. And I want to thank them for the team spirit and would like to encourage them to focus on the business so as to achieve their dreams. I also want to thank the company for their support in growing my business. My advice to all is treat your business like a business. Own it. You are not working for anyone. You are your own boss. So assume leadership position. Be committed, work hard, and stay focused. The sooner the better. Thank you.
I'm showing this video to just show somebody else who uses this opportunity to make a big difference to her life and the life of her family. It's amazing how many thousands and thousands of people do that every year. But are you committed to do that? That's the question. Now here I've got some saving tips of you to show you some more how you can save money. Okay. Now some money saving tips here for you. Replace those toxic cleaning products in your homes. Replace them. Yes, with non-toxic products, and save and promote better health as well. You save money and promote better health. So save any monthly expenses and protect your health with non-toxic cleaners. Go green. Here's an example. These are 5 products we buy in a supermarket here. We've got a couple of supermarkets that sell these. Now these 5 products, if you look, these are in rands, but you can do your currency as well. This gives a total of 224 rand for only 3.75 liters of cleaning product. Oh, it's less than 4 liters of cleaning products. Okay? It works out to about 60 rand per liter approximately. About 60 rand per liter. That's what people pay, and they pay to smile. for toxic stuff that cause children to end up in hospital. Here's a product. This 1 liter product is a concentrate. You must dilute it with water, and then you get 11 liters of cleaning product, non-toxic. You see, you get 22 bottles of spray bottles like those of half a liter each. There's an example of what you can do. Look at the paving, the difference in the paving, the before and after. So it's powerful and it's non-toxic. It replaces the all-purpose cleaner, the window cleaner, pre-wash, the floor cleaner, hobby toilet cleaner, oven cleaner, 5 products and more. But in my example, it replaces 5 products. This product will cost you only 116 Rand for the equivalent type of products, okay, versus 224 Rand. This is less than 29 Rand per liter. So that's about half the price. But why pay more for toxic stuff if you can buy non-toxic stuff that's cheaper? Another example. Those 3 products that people use in their homes, that will add up to 1.65 liters for over 200 Rand, about 142 Rand per liter. Here's a product that replaces them. Okay, those 3 cost 234 Rand. This will give you 17 small bottles, like on the screen you can see there, 17 small bottles of 350 ml each. And replaces those for a total cost of less than 89 Rand. That's almost a third of the price, almost. So why pay more? Why waste the money? Okay. If you put them all together, total cost of these supermarket products, almost 500 Rand. Total cost of non-toxic products, 205 Rand. Amazing. You save 290 Rand. So why pay more? Another example, a disinfectant. This one tested, okay? Dettol in the shops is more than 100 Rand a liter. This one is tested as an African Bureau of Standards. Hospital grade, take note, hospital grade, it works out about 28 Rand a liter. You must dilute this, and then it costs you only 28 Rand a liter versus over 100 Rand for the equivalent product in the shops. Why pay more? Make your own comparisons, and you see that you save when you use our non-toxic cleaning products. And it doesn't stop here. Remember, I said there are health products, personal care products, weight loss products, skincare products. Okay? I'm going to show you one more example from a supplement point of view, just to help understand why I say you save money. Let's say calcium supplements. Okay? Most calcium supplements in the shops contain calcium carbonate or dolomite. Absorption is less than 10%. What does that mean? If a pill has 100 milligrams of calcium, you get less than 10 milligrams of calcium. I mean, that's not cost effective, is it? Wow. Then I'm not even talking about what happens to the 90 milligrams that is not used. That can cause kidney stones and stuff, by the way. Now, if that pill costs, let's say, 1 Rand each, that means you pay 1 Rand for 10 milligrams of calcium. Now, you're going to see there's a problem. Like ladies need 1,400, 1,500 milligrams calcium per day. So, I mean, if you take 3 of these tablets, you get only 30 milligrams. That's not going to make a difference. You're wasting your money. The brand that we use has an absorption rate of 84%. So, in other words, if a tablet has got 100 milligrams of calcium in, you get 84 milligrams for about 3 Rand. Now, which one is now more expensive? People buy the cheap one because it's 1 Rand a tablet, but it only gives you 10 milligrams of calcium. This one costs 3 Rand a tablet, but you get 84 milligrams of calcium. Unless you need about 10 of the cheaper ones to get the same amount of calcium. So which one is cheap now? Not the cheap one. Cheap was expensive. That means you have to pay about 8 Rand plus 8 to 10 Rand give and take to get the same amount of calcium. So, see, people don't know these things. That's why training and support is so important. You can learn these things and see why you save money and how you can save money and how you can benefit from this. Like I said, which one is cheaper now? Contact me or contact the person who invited you or contact the person that sent you the Zoom recording if you want more information. Let's start your new life, your new day, a new beginning for you. Why wait? Why wait any longer? Well, other people are benefiting. Why don't you benefit? Thank you, people.